Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, I will show you how you can use Chat GPT API, which is GPT 3.5 turbo model inside Google Sheets. Because spreadsheets are always complicated for beginners like me. You have to know the formulas, you have to explain things, but here we are integrating ChatGPT directly inside Google Sheets. So you don't have to ask anything. Even you don't have to know anything about spreadsheets. ChatGPT can help you directly inside the Google Sheets. So first you have to open up your Google Sheet, and my suggestion is click on this, and that will select every cell of your spreadsheet, and then go to format, and then go to wrapping and click on wrap. We are doing it for a little bit cleanliness because this will wrap up the text inside the cell. The text will not overflow. So I have created the code, and please don't forget to mention my channel name or credit me. So let's see what ChatGPT can do inside Google Sheets using the GPT 3.5 turbo model, also known as the Chat GPT API. So let's click on ChatGPT, then click on Ask 3.5 Turbo, and let's ask something, a simple question. We'll start with simple and then we'll make it more complicated. So what is the capital of UK? This is a pretty simple question. So let's click on that. And as you can see, the capital of UK is London. So let's delete that and let's start something simple. Ask 3.5 GPT Turbo. What is the formula for sum in G shares? G means Google. Start with this equal sign. So let's click OK. This gave us a formula. At the same time, this also gave us a range, how to use the formula. This also gave us an example. Pretty simple. This was very straightforward. So when you are working with ChatGPT inside Google Sheets using the model GPT 3.5 Turbo, I recommend that you create two sheets. One is for your data and one is for your research. So here your research goes on and here your data goes on. As I said, ChatGPT is a language model, cannot directly implement the formulas. So you just have to ask ChatGPT API or GPT 3.5 turbo model to create formula for you and to explain the formulas so that you can use that inside your Google Sheets. Before I demonstrate a complex formula, let me show you what's going on. To implement the code, you have to click on extension, then click on app script. And here we'll find the code. This is my API key, and I'm using GPT 3.5 turbo model through Chat GPT API. And this is a simple menu. The name of the menu is Chat GPT, and then the menu item is Ask 3.5 Turbo. All right. And here I have a function where the user can input their questions or prompt. Here it is writing the solution for the users. If you want this code, please ask me in the comment section. I will personally deliver the link of the code to you. So let's start with a complex formula. All right. After you copy paste the code, and please remember to replace your API key. Please don't use mine. Then you have to click save this project. and you have to refresh your Google Sheet. It will take some time, and after that a menu will appear here, which is Chat GPT, and here you can find Ask GPT 3.5 Turbo. Alright guys, let's ask something complex to Chat GPT inside Google Sheets using GPT 3.5 Turbo model. So let me ask Turbo model, what is DCF valuation? So DCF valuation is discounted cash flow. So let's ask Turbo 3.5 model, as is there a formula for DCF in Google Sheets? Because we don't know there is a formula for DCF or not. Let it run. Yes, there is a formula for DCF in Google Sheets. The formula is NPV. It also providing us the example, and it is also explaining the formula in Google Sheets would be this. So basically, you have to click in Google Sheets here, equals NPV, and then you have to put your discount rate, whatever it is, and then you have to select the range of free cash flows. So this is only for research purpose, because as I said, GPT 3.5 Turbo or Chat GPT API or Chat GPT is a large language model, and it cannot directly implement the formulas in Google Sheet. So if you liked this video, please share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and please don't forget to ask me for the code. I will be very happy to provide you in a private comment.